I just bought this 512 gig SanDisk card because I have another 64 gig that I really am happy with, but I needed a little bit more space. So I like the brand and it's been doing really good for me. So again, that's why I went ahead and got this 512 gig. The 64 works for me for about an hour of 4K. From what I read, the 512 gig should last me possibly up to around 10 hours of 4K recording. So just wanted you to see what it came with real quick. See if I can get this corner open here. So this is how it comes. Peel that open. And like most of them, it just comes in a little case here so you can put it away and keep it safe, have it stored when you don't need it. So yeah, that's about it, everyone. Again, just wanted to let you know that I am really happy with this brand, and that's why I went ahead and got this one. So if you need a bunch of storage, quick read and write speed, go ahead and check this one out.